What attracted me to the collision repair industry was I wanted to learn how to paint. I kind of set out and taught myself really to paint before I went to trade school to learn how to do it correctly. Well, I've been using Evercoat products actually since trade school days. We use the Optex product line exclusively. It gives us uniformity throughout the shop. We know what the guys are using. We know what it's on. We know what to expect from the product line, and have had great luck with it. Well, we've actually started using the Optex line before it was available on the general market. Tom Lowry, our rep, had us demoing that product line before we could purchase it. And so we knew right away when we started using it that it was something we wanted to be using when it come available. The advantages to us from the shop standpoint, it is a highly productive product with the color change piece. It allows our guys to apply the product and move on to something else they're working on, and just with a visual know that it's ready for sanding and ready to continue. Another huge piece of the line is that we have, for the most part, eliminated pinholes in our products, which has been an issue that we've dealt with for years, and now I feel like we're at a point where that's a thing of the past. I think one of the main things that sets Hall Collision Center apart in our marketplace, we are a small shop, but we do have a family environment and we have a family mentality. And one of the things we like to focus on more so than anything is the quality of repairs. And I think Evercoat has given us the opportunity to drill down in the filler piece to ensure that we are getting the best quality in their product line. Tom Lowry has been a large piece of our business in the fact that he's been involved with obviously the Evercoat piece of it. But if we have a paint issue or any other issue, anything we perceive as being a problem or an issue or questions we may have, Tom's always been available for us to reach out to, and he's gladly come by and taken a look and give us his opinion and helped us work towards a solution. Tom is our Evercoat rep, but he has also been involved in other critical pieces of the business, helping us make decisions and diagnose problems. And having Tom Lowry on board with us to do training, yearly training with the technicians, is critical in us being able to move forward and use the product line to its full potential. Having Tom, having been in-house, not only does he come by and train annually and semi-annually, but he's here monthly and looking at the work the guys are doing, inspecting the product, inspecting the outcome of the product. And so as a shop manager, that gives me a great deal of confidence in the product line, knowing that it's being applied properly and used properly and within its boundaries and limitations. I think Optex has been a huge help for us and kind of multifaceted. From a production standpoint, it has saved us money and made us more productive. The technicians love the product. The Optex has been a big, good change for the guys. It's something that's been very easy to change shop-wide. If they're not having to redo a repair because of a sand scratch or a pinhole, it benefits the tech as well as the shop. The 440 Express is a product we use kind of as a last step. And what it does is just ensure that something we may not see as a technician is picked up and caught before the priming process takes place. 440 is insurance to the product line. We feel like great customer service starts at the front door, but really ends in the shop. And so with that, we want to be able to offer a lifetime warranty, and we want to do that with what we feel like are the best available products on the market. And so in the long term, by us providing a customer with what we feel like are the best products, that provides a level of customer service at the repair level that we feel like we can offer the customers.